guys, it's Adrienne from WDW Bound, and we are gearing up to head to Disney World this weekend, kind of a last minute trip for my family and I. And I posted a poll on Instagram earlier today about whether or not people will be interested in kind of seeing a pack with me kind of video and kind of how we prepare to head down. So that's what we're gonna do. So follow along as I kind of pack for a family of 4 for a quick weekend trip down to Disney. Okay, so for my 10-year-old, she actually makes things really easy for me because she refuses to wear anything other than leggings. So underneath each of these shirts, there is like the normal stuff and then a pair of leggings and socks. And then whatever shirt she's gonna wear, we're obviously gonna iron this because it's been stuffed in her drawer. You don't wanna look in her drawers. Anyway, she had this Spirit jersey for Christmas, so she wanted to bring that one. And then we just found these 2 shirts at Walmart actually, and I was kind of obsessed with them. I love this like vintage styled Star Wars shirt, so we're gonna wear that on Hollywood Studios Day. And then this Marvel shirt, I don't know when she's gonna wear it, but she loved it and I liked it too because it's got that little holographic thing. So really easy, 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Friday, Saturday, Sunday, however she decides to wear them. But yeah, she's an easy one. And then pajamas, yeah. All right, now for my 7-year-old, he also is really easy because he will only wear athletic pants. So underneath each of these shirts, you'll find athletic pants and then, of course, all the other kind of under things. And we're kind of at a weird in-between season in South Carolina right now where, you know, it's February, so it's technically winter, but it's only just started turning warm, so he doesn't have a lot of short sleeve shirts that fit him. He's also kind of in between a 7 and an 8 right now. So I also ran to Walmart and picked him up just a couple of shirts. So he's got this shirt and that one. I like to put him in red because he still can be difficult to find in crowds sometimes because he's, you know, shorter than the rest of us or whatever. And then I found this one and I just had to buy it. It says Adventure is Calling with a little pirate or whatever. And I just thought that that was adorable and would look really cute in Adventureland. So that's definitely his Magic Kingdom Day shirt. And the other ones are just like, whatever, plain Jane shirts, not a big deal. And then of course some pajamas for him. This shirt y'all might recognize from our September trip when we dressed up as the pelicans from Finding Nemo. You know, they didn't do the not so scary party this year, but you could still kind of dress up or whatever if you went during the fall. So we all wore these Mine shirts. So his is now turned into a pajama shirt with his little marble pants because, you know, even our pajamas have to be themed apparently around here. Okay, so now it's my turn. My husband packs for himself. But I just want to show you guys these really quick. I just bought these leggings off Amazon, and I have decided that leggings are the perfect bottoms to wear to Disney, but only if you get leggings with pockets. And I'll tell you why. You know, we often go bagless, so I need a place to keep chapstick and hand sanitizer and all that good stuff. So I like to be able to stick those in here. I like to be able to stick my phone in here so that I can be, you know, hands-free when I need to be or whatever. And I just picked these up on Amazon and they are so soft, but they're also like super thick. And then, like I said, they have pockets on both sides. Change so I can show you. Pretty deep pockets. And they weren't that expensive either. I think they were $15, $16 like that. You'll see my cat. And the giant pile of laundry I'm about to do. Yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of show you these because I plan on wearing, I bought 3 pairs of these leggings, y'all. But I plan on wearing these every single day. I'm obsessed with leggings. I tell people all the time, ever since I've had kids, I don't wear pants with buttons or zippers. There's just no point. I wear scrubs in my work life and then I come home and I put on leggings. So leggings, and I'll show y'all the tops that I'm planning on wearing here in just a second. Also, if you're wondering why I'm out of breath, it's because literally in the middle of recording all this, my son yelled at me from coming downstairs and was like, "Mom, the toilet's overflowing." So I had to run downstairs, fix the toilet, clean all that up, and then come back upstairs. So, you know, real life. Hey, Crystal. All right, so I am starting to put stuff in bags now, and I kind of wanted to show you something that we do that might be a little weird. I don't know if it is or not, but it's a tip that we use, and I'll just kind of show you. So my daughter's bag, just these little duffel bags that I'm pretty sure I bought on Amazon forever ago. My son's bag, And then this bag I've had for literally ever. I bought it from 31, I think, years ago. But when we drive down, usually we stop over in Georgia and stay overnight so that the drive gets broken up a little bit. And so what I'll do is whenever we stay in that hotel, I will pack pajamas, overnight clothes, like clothes we're gonna wear the next day, and then like all of our health and beauty stuff like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, that sort of thing in here. And that becomes kind of the catch-all bag too, so that when we pull over in Georgia, we only grab that one bag and take it in with us, and it's the only thing that we have to take back out too. And then of course it comes in with us when we actually reach the Disney resort too. So it just kind of helps us not to have to drag this bag and that bag and my bag and my husband's bag and the bag with all of our like shampoo, conditioner and stuff. And instead we just have one consolidated bag for that one night, and then it becomes the catch-all bag for the rest of the trip. All right, now it's my turn. I put another poll up on Instagram to ask which Spirit jersey I should wear. This will be for our ride home and also for breakfast that morning. And y'all said my Lilo and Stitch one, which I actually haven't worn before. So, and it also gets cold in the car. So, so I'm going to pack this one for that. And then this is for my Magic Kingdom day. We found this shirt at Five Below, and my daughter and I both loved it so much that we both bought it. So, villains, I also have a purple villains mask around here somewhere. I don't know where it went to, but, and then I borrowed my sister's purple ears. So that will be my Magic Kingdom day outfit. And then if y'all thought that I was going to go Disney and not represent Robin Hood in some form or fashion, you don't know me very well. So this is the shirt that my sister bought me for my birthday. So it is also coming with us. All right, day 2 of packing. And we've got most everything put up where it needs to go. And we're just kind of down to the finer details. But I wanted to show you guys some things that I bought for this trip that we're going to try out and see if we like. We bought these collapsible straws. Right-handed. Can you tell? I'm trying to get this out with my left hand. And they're like on a keychain, and it comes with a cleaner. There I go, dropping it. But inside, there's a straw and then a cleaner, and you can take these with you into the parks because I'm not a fan of the paper straws. You know, and better for the environment and all that. But I thought we would give these a try, and we will let you know how we like them. The other thing is in this box, which, to be fair, I saw on Instagram. But, hang on, I'm struggling. Thought would be really helpful for while we're packing, too. It is a canister that has 4 separate compartments and these little stickers or whatever, and you can fill each one with like shampoo, conditioner, lotions, body wash, whatever. And so like I said, it's got these little labels, and so you can label and you know what you're getting exactly. But I just thought, you know, rather than carry, you know, my entire shampoo bottle or whatever, you know, we can just try this. And I can't remember how much this was, but we're gonna give it a try, see if we like it. If we don't like it, then, you know, I'll let you guys know. So yeah. Sorry, it's another day where I look terrible. Just came home from work while we were finishing bagging. Look at that, there's Christopher's clothes right back there behind me. But anyway, so we are gonna finish up in the morning where I'll throw in the stuff that we use in the mornings, like toothbrushes and, you know, my makeup and hair dryer and all that good stuff, and chargers, all those things that you need. So I'll be putting all that in the morning, and then we'll be ready to go. But yeah, so that's how we get everything ready and organized just for our trips. If you have any tips, then please let us know down below. Thank you for watching. And as always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. Bye.